Alright gents, in this video we're going to look at how to create these little slots for the axle at the base of your bakkie. So the very first thing we need to do is identify the type of geometry and how we're going to place these things. So remember, SketchUp is all about inputting geometry, and then from that geometry in the 2 dimensions you press and pull to create the feature model you want by giving it volume. So you'll notice immediately that we've got circles that we're dealing with here. We've got a circle with a radius of 2 and a radius of 3, and in fact those dimensions would have given you an in as to the type of geometry you need. But we need to place them. We know that they are situated along the base or the bottom base edge of the bakkie, and we can see, if you had a keen eye immediately, you would have noticed that it's 40 in from the back, 20 in from the right. And that's the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do in SketchUp, is I'm going to take my trusty tape measure, click on edge, release, drag across, 20, enter. Come back here, click on that line, make sure you're red on edge, drag across, type in 40, enter. Now we've placed, we've got those intersecting points now on which we can inscribe those circles. So if we go back to the information, we've got a radius of 2 and a radius of 3. So C for circle command, or alternatively you can go find and click on your circle command. I'm going to go click, release, then I'm going to type in 2, enter. Then click, release, and type in 3, enter. I'm going to drag myself across to this point here, click, release 2, enter, click, release 3, enter. Now I've got myself the geometry required for these 2 slots, and now I'm going to go delete the lines I don't need. I do not need that half circle at the top, because that geometry will interfere with our object when we press and pull it. I don't need any of this information in the middle, okay? And you'll see that there's actually lines sneakily hidden behind the axis there that you need to remove as well, because that's an open space, it's an open face. So let's go across here, do the same thing, delete, delete, delete the line in the middle, okay, delete those 2 sneaky little lines there to create again that's all one face. Okay, now in the next video we're going to look at how to construct or how to pull the volume and add the bits of detail that are required for the front window, as well as the bin at the back.